Lord, you know how hard it is dealing with the pain day to day of a white man. She can never be what I am, but as long as he with me, that's what it's gonna be. Oh,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Nens and I'm giving you yet another Pixie hair hairstyle. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. So the first thing I do is I spray in my leave-in conditioner. I like to use Creme of Nature, the honey one, because it just smells really nice and leaves my hair really soft. So I'm using my foam mousse from KeraCare, which is the purple range. I absolutely love this range. It leaves my hair shiny, it smells amazing. I just love it all in all. I just lather this into my hair and then I start doing my finger waves. I do have a more in-depth video on how I do my finger waves, and I will be linking it on the top so that you guys can watch a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my finger waves.
She was thinking on his dick with them easy though. You was ex for a reason, so ain't no motherfucking reason to be reasonable. Right. You the type I slap out. And you mad cause a bitch got a bag in my back out. Keep playing, I'ma snap out. Call his motherfucking phone number again, I'ma black out. Hood bitch, bring the trap out. What's up? Quick to pull it up if a bitch wanna act out. He got a bitch with a check now. Doing tricks on the dick, you ain't shipping him the chest out. I got that nigga in the bigger boat. You the help in the service, he don't need no more. Now did you get that bitch? Sit back cause a real bitch will pull up. Click, clack.
Lord, you know how hard it is dealing with the pain day to day of a white man. She can never be what I am, but as long as he with me, that's what it's gonna be. Stress is all understand the consequence you fucking with. The night out ended. Spin about 2-3 times to make sure all the answers go.
She was thinking on his dick with them easy though. Yeah. You was ex for a reason, so ain't no motherfucking reason to be reasonable. Right. You the type I slap out. And you mad cause a bitch got a bag in my back out. Keep playing, I'ma snap out. Call his motherfucking phone number again, I'ma black out. Hood bitch, bring the trap out. What's up? Quick to pull it up if a bitch wanna act out. He got a bitch with a check now. Doing tricks on the dick, you ain't shipping him the check back. I got that nigga in the big about. You the help in the service, he don't need no more. Now did you get that bitch sit back? Cause the real bitch wanna act out. It's your young mind, you can go and do what y'all niggas always doing downtown me. Pull up, click, clack.
Styling my hair, I start in the middle of my head and then I curl the hair towards my face or towards the front of my head, and then as I am traveling along my head, so more to the front, I start to curl backwards and so on and so forth. Obviously when I'm curling the sides, I'm just curling it in the direction that they would normally go in, but yeah.
Lord, you know how hard it is dealing with the pain day to day of a one man. She can never be what I am, but as long as he with me, that's what it's gonna be. Always the mindset I'm in. But an ex can't stop the game, I'm trying to play it off. Is she on your mind? You can go and do what y'all niggas always doing, don't tell me. She better understand the consequence you fucking with. Cause the night out ended. Spin about 2-3 times to make sure all the answers go. She was thinking on his dick with them easy though. Yeah. You was ex for a reason, so ain't no motherfucking reason to be reasonable. Right. You the type I slap out. And you mad cause a bitch got a bag in my back out. Keep playing, I'ma snap out. Call his motherfucking phone number again, I'ma black out. Hood bitch, bring the trap out. What's up? Quick to pull it up if a bitch wanna act out. He got a bitch with a check now. Doing tricks on the dick, you ain't shipping